part is it fell out right when I farted.
Oh, it's a horn. You know, if you just ring it all the time, then no one knows what it means. We need someone standing over here with the GoPro.
Oh, you see that paint?
Yeah, nice.
It's wasted calories. Unnecessary turns.
You're supposed to walk on this side.
Yeah, but
Oh, I thought you didn't like biking.
Get it out. Sitting here doing all the work.
So we've got Charles Addison Elder Baber impersonating someone who can afford an Arc'teryx jacket up on the bow, rigging the jib. And we've got Ensign Ami laying on the back.
Ensign? Are you fucking kidding me?
Alright, Charlie, release the mooring. Sheet in on the jib.
Sheeting in.
Charlie, get in the boat.
It's shaped like a bowl, so it just wants to turn. The Hobie is like two razor blades.
Yeah.
It's a little too tight. See?
What's this cruise ship thing you're looking at?
Right, she's never had any.
Hey, we should be shooting 4K with one of these just to get some footage for the laptop. I'll turn it on 4K. Dude, there's a floating parking garage coming out.
This was 20 steps to here.
Yeah, but we're on an arc. Oh, dude, the bridge is open. I'm getting all the good shots. You guys are gonna thank me. You're like the way you look.
Are you ready?
Ready to tack.
Tacking.
What you just did there is that you lose your thumb on a bigger boat.
Oh yeah, Charlie, you're stirring the pot. Get out of the way of this guy, even though we have the right of way. Probably sheet out.
I don't know, you really lean this bitch over, that'd be fun.
Woo!
The deal is, Charlie.
Oh, I didn't even see that sound.
That's a 787. Oh boy. Amigo.
Except once they had the right of way.
I didn't want to bring my nice camera.
God. Well, here we go.
Another A380.
Bye, Charlie. Right in the balls.
Yes, sir. We got him.
The planes are a nice feature.
They sure are.
You see the contrails?
Yeah.
The chemtrails. If you're a liberal. Boy.
Oh, he's gonna send it.
We got him.
Look how he holds on. He's like a fucking retarded starfish.
Should I let this tug get by before I tack back? That's so gross.
I'll give you $1 if you get that cargo ship.
Maybe they had a Boston Tea Party out here.
That happened in Boston, didn't it?
Lots of stuff happened in Boston. They wouldn't even say, home's the lead.
Right in the face. I don't trust the rigging on this boat or the sails.
So what do you think? It just hits us right in the forehead.
Yeah.
I can't even see it. Oh! Dude! Hold on! Hold on!
That's the biggest plane.
In the world!
That's awesome.
And it just came out of nowhere.
We got a gust coming, boys. I'm gonna head up.
Well spotted.
Ferry coming in too on our
Whoa, you're about to accidentally, you're about to attack. You're about to attack.
We're close to attacking.
I know, I put us in irons. That's the plan, right?
Setting in, Captain. Pirates are coming.
Pretty close to those lights.
Charlie, you have to stay in line with the lights or you miss the runway.
Thank you, Captain Obvious. Oh, proper.
Oh boy.
The ferry out there. About to attack.
That was good timing.
Yeah.
I'm gonna attack on it.
I can feel that one.
Alright, I think we'll head back.
Fog's pretty bad.
Skipper Caleb in the disabled position.
Because his back sore. Airplane. Back brace. You can't even see the airplane. Wow. Hits, there it is.
Oh,
Guitars.
777. Made in Everett, Washington.
The fog off the wings looks pretty tight.
He's pulling
You see the
up
fog?
too.
Yeah, he's pulled up.
Oh
shit.
Oh yeah.
I mean, we obviously need a spinnaker.
Yeah,
Should've
come
brought
on.
it.
Should have brought it.
Really don't know.
That fog over the city is kind of pretty. Caleb, you go a little more close haul. 7:30.
Afternoon. Oh!
What?
I got it.
I released both the halyards to go.